Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my video agency kit review. I'm going to be showing you what video agency kit is in this review, and also I'm going to be revealing the high quality custom bonuses that I'm giving away to ensure you get even better results with video agency kit. Video agency kit launches on the 15th of December by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, video agency kit gives you access to templates that allow you to create some custom ready-made videos. You'll be able to just go to your PowerPoint. You don't need any extra software to actually load up the templates and actually generate videos using these templates. For example, now when you load these templates up in PowerPoint, this is PowerPoint, all you need to do is go to File, go to Export, and go to Create Video. And when you do this, when you hit the Create Video button, it actually creates an MP4 video. Now this video goes on YouTube, it goes on Twitter, you can use it on Facebook, you can use it on Instagram. You basically can use this on any social media platform you choose to. Most of the templates, you're actually going to be getting a bundle. I noticed the first bundle actually gives you dimensions like this that you can actually use on YouTube. But my bonus is you are going to be getting different types in total. Overall, you'll be getting different types of bundles of templates, even though you'll be getting access to different modules also here that actually gives you access to different types of bundles, which we are going to dive into in a short while. But I'm going to review my bonuses right now, then I'm going to let you see what you will be getting access to when you get your own copy of video agency kit. So my first bonus gives you access to a traffic software. This is a cloud-based Instagram traffic software, and this allows you to pull some high quality traffic from Instagram in any niche. You'll be able to connect multiple Instagram accounts, and then you'll be able to use these accounts to drive some high quality traffic, probably to your affiliate offers, to your website, or wherever it is you would be or you want to drive traffic to. So video agency not only gives you access to these bundles, these templates, but it basically allows you to set up your own agency business where you can actually help businesses by providing these videos to them. As a matter of fact, it actually gives you some website templates also that you can literally use to set up your own agency business. We'll be getting into that in a short while. So my first bonus allows you to connect multiple Instagram accounts. You'll also be able to repost viral content from other Instagram users, meaning if you do not want to upload your own content, you'll also be able to drive traffic using the cloud-based software. It allows you to repost videos, repost images, copy trending hashtags. You'll also be able to schedule your posts to actually go out in the future, so you can actually sit back, relax, and watch some high quality traffic flow to your offers over the coming weeks or even months on autopilot. And that's going to be my first bonus. Bonus number 2, you'll be getting access to another training. This is a training that shows you how to make money on Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where you can actually exchange services and get paid for these services. So you can actually set up gigs on Fiverr that allow you to create videos using this template. It's going to take you less than a minute to click on export, and it's probably going to take less than 2 minutes for this video to get exported into MP4. And you can basically charge people on Fiverr for $10, $20, or even upwards for just one single video you'll be creating from these templates. Also, bonus number 3, you'll be getting access to some other templates now. You'll be getting access to PowerPoint templates you can also use to create videos for Instagram, for Twitter, for Facebook, and you can use this to promote both digital and physical products. Everything follows the same principle. Just go to File, click on Export, and you have your own videos. And these are 100% customizable inside of PowerPoint. So you don't need any extra software. Also, bonus number 4, you'll be getting access to a software, Commission Flex plus license rights. This is a software that allows you to build your own custom landing pages, custom squeeze pages, where you can actually promise people and they would need to give you their emails in exchange for the lead magnet you are promising them. You'll be getting access to lead magnets you can use to entice people to give you their emails. This way you can build your list if that's what you want to do. But you'll also be getting access to thank you pages, and you can promote affiliate offers at the back end. Once people give you their emails, they will be redirected to your thank you page where they will find your recommendations. These are going to be your affiliate links. And when they choose to get any of these products through you, it means you'll be getting paid affiliate commission. This works for ClickBank. This works for Warrior Plus. This works for JVZoo. And of course, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses that we're going to be looking at also in a short while. So what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of these blue buttons. If you click on any of these blue buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Video Agency Kit. And this is where you are going to be able to pick up Video Agency Kit, including all these templates. And also here you'll be getting full information about Video Agency Kit. And here it says studio quality videos in minutes to earn more profit even if you have zero skills and experience. You get access to ready-made high quality video templates and full-blown agency kits to run your own video production house and make money from selling videos to other businesses. So what are you going to be getting? So you are going to be getting modules. Module number 1, you'll be getting 30 studio quality video templates. These are high quality video templates. They are fully customizable in PowerPoint. And also you get full commercial license, meaning you can do basically anything you want with these templates. You can sell the videos you'll be creating with these templates to businesses or even to other individuals. Module number 2, you'll be getting ready-made professional and stunning agency website. I believe you would need to host this yourself. You'll be getting access to these templates you can basically upload. These are fully responsive websites, include sales copy, VSL, that's the video sales letters, and graphics. You also get stunning layout design. And previewing the website, this is actually a preview of the type of template, website template you'll be getting, meaning you basically don't need to do any work. You would basically be able to have access to this kind of websites to promote your own business. Also, module number 3, you'll be getting stunning and highly entertaining animated sales videos, extreme quality video, and these are done for you. Module number 4, tailor-made, done for you, dazzling and winning proposal. You'll be getting access to proposals you can actually send to clients, which are actually proven to get some attention and help you with conversions. Also, module number 5, you'll be getting professional PDF lead magnet, so you have access to something to give away. If you check the website, the pages you will be getting access to, there's a place where it allows people to actually download the ebook. So you'll be able to give this away, and then you'll be getting access to these emails, building your own list, and then you can actually send out emails for similar offers or reminder emails to these potential customers. Also, Module number 5, you'll be getting 6 done for you eye converting email templates. Module number 7, you'll be getting 5 done for you persuasive gig description copy and killer titles. Also, you'll be getting module number 6, full guidelines, instructions, website traffic strategy. So you'll be getting access to all these, including explainer videos, templates in PowerPoint. You'll be getting access to all these bonuses also. So these are exclusive bonuses worth $2,000. You'll be getting access to all these bonuses also, in addition to the main modules you'll be getting access to inside of Video Agency Kit. This includes 200 animated character, and you can also use this in PowerPoint and eventually create MP4 videos with these animated characters. So yes, these are the bundles you'll be getting access to inside of Video Agency Kit. Now you'll be getting access to my own template also. You are probably asking, how do I make money as an affiliate with this kind of bundles? You are actually going to be getting access to a PowerPoint template, which is actually a video, a presentation about affiliate marketing, and you can actually use this for affiliate marketing purposes to promote affiliate offers. You'll be getting access to one of the templates you'll be getting access to inside of Commission Flex is a page that actually has this video, and this actually prompts people to give you their names to give you their emails in exchange for the lead magnets you are giving away. So now I'm going to be showing you the pricing. The front end, including all the bundles that I just showed you, goes for a one-time fee of $22. Probably the price might be lower if you're coming in early, but there's going to be an early bird pricing, meaning the earlier you actually come in, the lower the price. You'll be able to pick up Video Agency Kit. And then to the optional upgrades, the first optional upgrade is the Video Agency Kit Pro, and that goes for $39. And this allows you to get more value with magnificent ready-made studio quality templates and agency business kit. You get access to website sales and graphics and more. So this basically gives you access to even more bundles, more templates, and more resources. And the second optional upgrade is the templates bundle edition, and this goes for $67. And this gives you access to extra templates like creative banners, animated videos, and video designs, and all on a major discount. So that's going to be my review for Video Agency Kit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below.